Hi friends, this video shows how to do system update or software update. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. First we have to go to settings. Select this settings icon. Go to system. Go to about. Then select system update. Now it's checking for update. Please wait. Okay, done. So now it shows that there is an update. The size of the update is 731 MB. Let me check what is in this update. This software update includes Android security patch level has been updated, other bug fixes and performance improvements. First we have to check what is in this update. We have to carefully read it before downloading and installing the update. If we are okay with this, we can go and select restart now button. Then it will download and install this update into TV. So this way we can check for software update, then download and install it. So please try this.